Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our math session. We are doing our lesson number 7. Time goes on, and we have completed our test book. Today, we are going to start our workbook. So, all of you, please take out your workbook. In workbook, page number 60, 61 and 62, that is question number 1, 2 and 3, that you can do as homework. You have to look at the picture and complete the homework. Okay, complete the blanks provided. So that can be done as homework. So do question number 1, 2 and 3 as homework. Now we can do question number 4 on page number 63. Word problems on age. Here some of the word problems are given related to age. Question number 1. 5 years ago, John is half of Neeraj's age. If John's present age is 10 years, find the present age of Neeraj. Here the first question is that John is half of Neeraj's age 5 years ago. That means 5 years before, John is half of Neeraj's age. That means Neeraj's age will be double of John 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Okay, before 5 years. 5 years ago means before 5 years. Suppose if it is 2020, now 5 years ago is 2015. So 5 years ago, John is half of Neeraj's age. If John's present age is 10 years, find the present age of Neeraj. So as per the question, John's present age, what is the age of John now? Present age means now, age now. What age going on now? That is present age. So John's present age is 10 years. And we have to find the present age of Neeraj. To find this, there is a clue given, that is 5 years ago John is half of Neeraj's age. So let us see how we can solve this. So John's present age is 10 years. Age of John 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, what will be the age of John? Now present age is, now the age of John is 10 years. So 5 years ago, John's age will be 5 years. How you can calculate this? 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Because 5 years ago, we have to deduct 5 from the present age. So you will get 5 years. So 5 years ago, it is given that 5 years ago, John is half of Neeraj's age. So 5 years is equal to half. Half we can write as 1 by 2 of Neeraj's age. That is 5 is equal to 1 by 2 into Neeraj's age. That means Neeraj's age will be double of John's age. So how we can calculate? 5 into 2. This 1 by 2 will go this side and it will become 5 into 2. So Neeraj's age will be 5 into 2, that is 10 years. So Neeraj's age 5 years ago is 10 years. And John's age 5 years ago is 5 years. Otherwise, we can say that Neeraj's age is double the age of John 5 years ago. Here, half means Neeraj's age of, otherwise, this John's age will be double. If Neeraj related to Neeraj's age, it is half. When we are saying about John's age is, otherwise, Neeraj's age is double of John 5 years ago. That's why 5 into 2. We will get the answer 10 years. So what will be the present age of Neeraj? So this is 10 years means 5 years ago. Before 5 years, Neeraj's age is 10 years. So present age will be, we have to add 5 with the age 5 years ago. So 10 years plus 5, that is equal to 15 years. So the present age of Neeraj will be 15 years. Okay. Next one. Madhu is twice the age of Hari 2 years ago. If the present age of Madhu is 20 years, find the age of Hari after 2 years. So, it is saying that 2 years ago, that is before 2 years, Madhu's age is twice the age of Hari. Twice means 2 times. So, Madhu is 2 times, Madhu's age is 2 times that of Hari 2 years ago. If the present age of Madhu is 20 years, okay, find the age of Hari after 2 years. So what is the present age of Madhu? Madhu's present age is 20. And what it is asked to find? We are asked to find the age of Hari after 2 years. So present age of Madhu. What is the present age of Madhu? You can see that present age of Madhu is 20 years. And age of Madhu 2 years ago. So 2 years ago what will be his age? 20 minus 2. So present age is 20. So before 2 years what will be his age? His age will be 18 years. Okay. So 20 minus 2 is equal to 18 years. For example, your age may be 9 years now, and you are studying in 3rd standard. 2 years before, in which class you were studying? You were studying in standard 1. And by that time, what was your age? Do you remember? Now your age is 9 years. So 2 years before minus 2. So when you were studying in 1st standard, your age may be, or your age was 7 years. So what we have done? Minus 2. We have deducted 2 years. Likewise, here Madhu is 20 years and 2 years before. That means we have to deduct 2 from the percentage. So 20 minus 2 is equal to 18 years. So before 2 years, Madhu was 18 years old. And it is said that Madhu is twice the age of Hari 2 years ago. So 2 years before, that means 2 years ago, Madhu's age was 2 times that of Hari. Okay, so Madhu was elder by 2 times that of Hari. That means Madhu's age 2 years before. What is the age of Madhu 2 years before? 18 years. And is equal to 2 times that of Hari. So 18 is 2 years before. Madhu's age is 18. That time his age was 2 times that of Hari's age. So 18 is equal to 2 times Hari's age. So Hari's age 2 years ago, what will be the answer? 18 divided by 2. Otherwise half of 18. So what we will get? We will get 9 years. So 2 years ago Hari's age is 9 years. Understand? You will get here 2 into, we got 9 years. So 2 into 9 is 9 2s are 18. So Madhu is 18 years. 2 into 9. Okay. So twice the age. I hope you have understood. Twice means 2 times. So we got 9 years here. So 2 into 9 is 18. So here our calculation here it is correct. How we have done? 18 is equal to 2 times of Hari's age. So Hari's age will be 18 divided by 2. This into 2 will become divided by 2 when it come to this side of equal to sign. So 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9 years. This type of calculation you will study in next year when you learn about fractions calculation. Okay, in higher classes you will study this properly, how to calculate a fraction. And so Hari's age 2 years ago is 9 years. So 2 years ago, what is the 2 years before? What is the age of Hari? He was 9 years old. So what will be the age of Hari now? Present age. It will be 9 plus 2 because plus 2 years now. This is the age before 2 years. So present age will be the age now going on will be 9 plus 2. That is equal to 11 years. And what is the question? Have you seen the question? The question is, find the age of Hari after 2 years. We have to find the age of Hari. What will be his age after 2 years? Not now, after 2 years. For example, if it is 2020, this year is 2020. After 2 years means 2022. We have to find the age when during the year 2022. So his age present year. Now what is his age? His age is 11 years. So after 2 years, what you have to do? You have to plus 2. You have to add 2. So 11 plus 2 is equal to 13 years. So age of Hari after 2 years will be how much? 11 plus 2, that is 13 years. Okay. So what will be your age after 2 years? If your age is 9 years now, your age will be 9 plus 2, 11 years. Likewise, Hari's age after 2 years is 13 years. Okay. So the age of Hari after 2 years will be 13 years. Okay. I hope you have understood both the questions. We will continue the question 3 and 4, that is C and D, in the next class. So let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.